400 million years ago, the Earth looked very different. Oceans and seas covered much of the Earth's crust. The continents we know today were beginning to form and slowly move northward. During this time, many plants, both on shore and in the seas, flourished. So did fish like the Dunkleosteus, which fed on prehistoric sharks and other marine life in the seas that once covered what is now the northeastern part of the United States. Over time, millions upon millions of these plants and sea creatures died and accumulated at the bottom of the prehistoric seas, buried by layers of sand and mud. Layer upon layer of mud and decaying organic matter built up into beds of sedimentary rocks called shale. Within the shale, the trapped plant and animal remains decayed to produce methane, the simplest hydrocarbon gas. Some shale is exposed today on many parts of the Earth's surface. Much of the natural gas that formed from decaying plant and animal life escaped and became part of the atmosphere. But most of the shale deposits of the Devonian period remain buried as far as 2 miles beneath the Earth's surface, and trapped within the rock, under great pressure, are large reserves of natural gas. One of the largest of these shale gas deposits is buried up to 10,000 feet below the surface of Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York, and West Virginia. According to some estimates, the Marcellus Shale Formation may contain more than 410 trillion cubic feet of natural gas that could supply U.S. energy needs for hundreds of years. Geologists and engineers had to develop a way to break open the shale that remains thousands of feet down in order to release the trapped natural gas. Gas has been untouched for hundreds of millions of years. But to acquire any non-renewable fossil fuel, whether natural gas, coal, or petroleum, there are demands on the other natural resources of our planet. If not handled carefully, obtaining Earth's non-renewable fossil fuels can bring about new problems that can have tremendous financial and ecological consequences. In this explainer on energy and non-renewable fuels, Quest will look at the ways that scientists in the present are using resources of the past to build the future for energy in the United States.